This is how restaurants make their meat softer and more visually appealing, making it much more enjoyable to eat. This mini truck has been a huge help for workers, saving both time and improving safety. This machine helps farmers save a lot of time when planting crop seeds. This movie theater gives you the feeling like you're actually inside the film. This is exactly how chocolate is coated on top of cookies. This job requires perfect coordination and teamwork between two people. From a massive stone block, after going through many steps, it can be turned into a statue, jewelry, or many other things. This isn't ordinary paint, it's heat-insulating paint, often sprayed on rooftops to block the afternoon heat. The blade spins so fast that our eyes can't catch it, which makes it look like it's spinning slowly. This footage shows a glass bottle production line. The large bottles are used for food, while the smaller ones are for beer and liquor.
Okay, Stephen, looks like we have final balance on this. We're going to make some aesthetic improvements to things and then do the final cleanup on it, and we should be ready to go. And that handsome guy in the background there, that's Daniel Camarena, very, very famous assistant, the best in the world.
This is the traditional handmade ramen noodle making process in Japan. It looks incredibly fascinating. A plain wooden block becomes a cute wooden cup after going through this machine. In many developed countries, they clean both sides of the road using massive machines. It looks almost like a parade. What you're watching is the tofu making process, a popular food in countries like China, Vietnam, and Japan. From simple soybeans, they transform them into smooth, white tofu blocks. This is how lids are sealed onto their bodies. Farmers here clean out the water channels every summer. This sink makes it feel like you're living inside a cave. This is concentrated sugar syrup, used to make those small hard candies we often suck on. This machine turns square wooden blocks into smooth, round logs. This machine easily bends straight steel bars into curved ones. If you want spotless floors, get this machine. It not only sprays high-pressure water, but can even fly. A special product from a long-experienced mechanical craftsman. This is how artisans make wooden spoons that are often sold on Etsy. The bark of this log is so brittle that the cameraman can break it with his bare hands. This is a guava that's been completely frozen after several days of weather below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the process of making deep wooden plates in the most time and labor efficient way. This worker is completing the final steps to create a finished shoe.
Ich bin zwar noch nicht so alt, aber ich habe auch schon mal Steine von Hand gelegt. Ja. In den 80ern hat man dann auch mehr mit Hand gelegt. Ja, heutzutage will sich natürlich keiner mehr die Knochen kaputt machen. Einige machen es vielleicht noch, aber Flächen in dieser Größe werden in der Regel maschinell verlegt.